Good evening, sir. My name is Sanjay Gale. I am from Kathmandu, Nepal. My height is 5.6 and I am 74 kg and my education is SLC pass and I work in the Qatar 4 years, 3cc company and my education is SLC pass and my experience is for 4 years in the Qatar working. And even good evening, sir. Thank you.